The Lifetime Service Center is an independent service center providing exceptional support for all electronics repair needs. Lifetime Service Center focuses on satisfying our loyal customers by providing them with the best customer service possible. We have a state-of-the-art facility located in Williamsville, New York, and have over 75 employees along with 50 certified technicians. Our technicians utilize current factory authorized service equipment along with ongoing training on the newest products and technologies. Average turnaround for repairs surpasses industry averages. At Lifetime Service Center, we offer appliance, electronics, all tablet and iPad computer repairs, and we offer in-home and delivery services. We're known for being the best for what we do, and we invite you to check us out online at www.lifetimeservicecenter.com.